Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to convert a JPG to a PDF. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing to and liking the video. Here we have the JPG picture or image file that I want to convert to a PDF. So, this is really convenient to be able to do because perhaps you're trying to go and upload it somewhere, and the accepted format is a PDF, which is why you want it to be that. Or there's another reason for it. It doesn't matter, but we're going to guide you through this. Don't worry, you won't need to go and upload it to any random website or go and download a tool on your computer. It's actually already on our computer. What we need to do now is just make sure it's this full guide, as I'm showing you how you can go and customize this and get it to your liking as well. Find the JPG picture or image. You want to go and double-click on it. You want to make sure it opens up in Photos. If it doesn't, right-click on it, hover over Open With, and find Photos. Now you can go and press a shortcut Ctrl-MP, or you can go to the top left, and you can go and find the Print button, and you can click there. Now you can go and see it here. Now don't worry. We're going to go and customize it, as of course it's sort of half cut off here, and it's not quite right. Come to the top left, where it says Printer, and you want to make sure you select Print to PDF. Now you can come down and choose the orientation on this be portrait. Yours could be different, of course. Now, what you can do is you can go and choose the photo size. At the moment it's set to full page, but you could choose a different size to your liking. And you can also come down to fit. And at the moment is set to fill the page, but you could press shrink to fit. And it will then go and include the image here. So you can adjust that to your liking. And then when you're ready, come to the bottom, and you'll find the option for print, which you can then click on. Don't worry, we aren't actually printing it out. You can then go and give this a name. And I'll put it on my desktop. And I'll go and press save. And that's it. So now if I go and close that, you can go and see it's going to open up.